Prilly from MTV. I just want to ask tanya Prilly, okay, macam mana Prilly menjiwai warta berita? Adakah itu berdasarkan pengalaman Prilly sendiri?
I don't have experience losing my partner or my boyfriend, thank God. But I lost my grandpa during the process ketika berhenti di sini. So I used that experience untuk mendalami karakter. I used my own experience losing. I was losing my friend. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, before this, you selalu video. Okay, Prilly, usually before this, you selalu digandingkan dengan Reza Rahadian kan? And this time around, you dengan Reval. So macam mana chemistry tu? You boleh build the chemistry easily ataupun you kena ambil masa? So kalau I selalu tengok before this dengan Reza Rahadian, so smooth lah kan? This time around, you dengan Reval, so macam mana?
I cannot choose. I love Reza, I love Rafael. We're doing so good. There is no formula for me to build chemistry with my co-star. But Rafael, he's such a good actor. He's such a good friend. So we can have fun together. I can tell him my story. He can tell me his story. And we relate in so many ways. That's why maybe, you can see the chemistry between us. What do you think? Do you think we are shippable?
They are engaged.
Yeah, I hope I can maintain this, friendship and whatever we have right now. But yeah, I think maybe because we are good friends, that's why we can build our chemistry together.
Hi, Albert from Wayang People. Soalan untuk Prilly. First of all, congratulations on the movie. Really good. Scene yang terhebat untuk kita orang is ketika, spoiler alert, when you dapat berita at yeah. So that scene, that panic, and berapa lama masa yang diambil untuk di-shoot?
It's one shot. It's one shot, one take.
One shot, one kill.
One shot, one take. And to be honest, I didn't know what to do 5 seconds before they said action. I didn't know what to do because I don't have the experience with my boyfriend. I don't know how it feels picking up the phone and someone told me that, someone that I love just got car accident and passed away just like that. So I didn't really know how to feel. But when he said action, there's a magic, There's a magic. It's like a magic. It's like something come to me and brings out all the feeling that I shouldn't feel and I never feel before. I think that's the magic of being an actor. The environment, the ambience and everything just got me to that emotion. And I don't know what to do. If you ask me like how you do it, I don't know. Because 5 seconds before he said action, I didn't know what to feel, I didn't know what to do. But when he said action, suddenly I feel the feeling that I never felt before, and I don't want to feel that again, hopefully not. And yeah, just like that. And one take, one shot, and that's it. It's so fast, happens so fast. But that's it, make me realize sometimes we are more focusing on someone that we lost, but we forget about people that still here. So don't waste your time and say I love you to the one that you love, and don't ever hold back your feeling. Thank you.
Okay, so maybe we can have a question for the director.
Hi, I'm Shavika from Cool 101. I nak tanya pengarah. Please. Okay. Macam mana boleh tercetusnya idea untuk buat filem ni? And also, what's the biggest challenge to film this movie? Thank you.
Thank you. The idea is datang karena keresahan terhadap kehilangan, death, grief, dan dari sana muncul ide untuk kacamata ini karena kadang kita bisa ketemu sama siapapun yang kita inginkan melalui mimpi, tapi mimpi kan bukan kehendak manusia, mimpi kehendak Tuhan memberikan mimpi apa gitu dalam bunga tidur kita. Namun kacamata ini muncul dengan solusi bahwa kita bisa bertemu dengan siapapun yang kita inginkan kapanpun kita mau. Itu sih mungkin kenapa idenya bisa muncul. Dan what is the biggest challenge is when we shoot the movie, our emotion is really unstable. All of us. Me, Prilly sangat tidak stabil. Reval also. Dan that's the biggest challenge for us karena setiap scene-nya berat semua dan kita harus satu suara, satu frekuensi, dan saat emosi kita tidak stabil sering terjadi perdebatan, sering terjadi diskusi yang cukup berat untuk mendapatkan kesepakatan tentang scene seperti apa yang mau kita eksekusi gitu sih kira-kira. Prilly lagi.
Hello, Aisyah from Oslo.
Oh iya, sorry.
Tanya untuk filmnya. Okay, question untuk Umar. Okay, apakah teknologi yang digunakan untuk menghasilkan AI tersebut karena kualitinya agak high spec. So dan berapa cost yang you ambil untuk menghasilkan film?
Okay, thank you. Kalau mungkin CGI-nya sendiri prosesnya makan waktu cukup panjang juga untuk development-nya, untuk development idenya. Kalau AI-nya kita tidak menggunakan real AI atau augmented reality selama proses syuting berlangsung gitu, tapi proses research and development for the AI thing, for the technologies is memakan waktu 3 tahun. Waktu yang cukup panjang. Kalau cost-nya mungkin ibu produser saya ada di situ yang tahu. Saya hanya minta dan ribut untuk memaksakan bahwa CGI-nya bisa terlaksana dengan baik itu sih.
Okay, so maybe soalan untuk Reval pula. Terus ke Reval pula.
Okay, hi, saya Aini Pensa. So mungkin soalan ini for pelakon ataupun pengarah juga. So kalau kita tengok scene-nya banyak yang beremosi. So which scene yang mana yang paling susah untuk dilakukan?
For me, the one when Nita is erasing Ed from the glasses, when she choose to shut down the glasses and erase all the memories. Itu berat karena di shoot jam 4 pagi. Jadi kita harus membuat Prilly mendapatkan emosinya saat dia sudah matanya ngantuk. itu mungkin salah satu scene yang paling berat karena emosinya juga berat sekali, tapi di shoot saat pagi hari.
For me, when I got the phone call, it was a very complicated emotion. And when I need to talk to AI with, robot sound, it's just so fun for the first time, and it's so hard to build the emotion when you talk to AI. So it's quite hard for me, but I get used to it, and yeah, hopefully I did it, and hopefully you like the result.
Kalau untuk aku, the hardest scene mungkin saat Ivan menemukan kacamata yang isinya ada air. Karena di situ satu-satunya momen di mana Ivan hampir tidak bisa mengontrol emosinya dan mixed feelings. adanya di situ. Itu berat, tapi dia ingin selalu do his best for Dita.
You did good. Because if I were Irfan, I will punch Dita with a chair.
Rifan, bagaimana melakukan watak itu dengan nampak sangat neutral? It's not easy for you to overcome the feeling yang kamu seperti berdepan dengan seorang wanita yang sangat populer, sangat dalam drama ni, dalam film ni. Setuju. Ya, sebagai penonton kita marah sekali dengan ditanya. So kamu ada reference mana-mana film ataupun kamu sendiri come up with your own style for that character?
Awalnya aku coba observe dari orang-orang yang di dekat aku dulu. Aku lihat cousin, aku lihat teman-teman yang aku punya mirip gak sama karakter Ivan. Sampai akhirnya aku ngerasa memang dia punya ketulusan yang tinggi, kesabaran yang tinggi, dan di situasi apapun sepertinya dia masih bisa kontrol feelings dia karena dia begitu cinta sama Dita. Jadi memang aku cukup observe, cukup nanya sama Umay dari awal karakter Ivan seperti apa. Karena di awal sebenarnya scene-nya tadi kayak seperti itu ya, reaksi ketika Ivan menemukan kacamata itu, dan ini tidak seperti itu. Cuma kita diberikan opsi dengan Umay yang hasilnya ada di film ternyata memang luar biasa gitu. Thank you Umay. Yeah.
Okay, next question. Ada soalan lagi kan? Okay, maybe a question to director kan? Tanya lah kan? Why? Kenapa pilih Dita Reva?
Kenapa bukan mereka? Jadi pertanyaannya dikembalikan gitu. Kalau ditanya kenapa harus mereka, jawabannya kenapa bukan Prilly dan Reval Hadi dan Brian Doman gitu. Walaupun at the very beginning I never put Prilly or Reval or Brian on my list dalam aktor-aktor yang akan memainkan perannya di film Ketika Berhenti di Sini. Dita tadinya bukan Prilly, Ivan tadinya bukan Reval, tadinya bukan Brian. So yeah, I always believe that the character chose the actor. Ya, dan akhirnya ya karakter ini memilih Prilly, memilih Reval, memilih Brian dan cast-cast yang lain. Karena mereka aktor yang luar biasa pas harganya. Okay.
So, any more questions kan? Maybe we have two more. Ada dua lagi soalan kan? Ada lagi kan? Okay, ada lagi soalan kan? Okay, mungkin one more last question lah. How is it like untuk berlakon under direction director kita?
You sure?
Kalau Dita mungkin lebih banyak berat, tapi kalau di aku dia dari awal udah bikin relationship sebagai sahabat, teman yang bisa ngobrol banyak, dan ketika di set pun dia menjadi director yang sangat membimbing dan juga mengarahkan dengan porsi yang baik. Jadi kita bukan merasa di direct, tapi kita selalu terbuka satu sama lain. Selalu ada bercanda, selalu ada scene serius. Jadi dia bisa memberikan porsi yang baik saat mengarahkan.
That directed by your best friend is, must be fun, but unfortunately, we fought a lot. All the crews and my co-star always told us Tom and Jerry, because we fought a lot. But because he's my best friend, I can communicate with him better. I can discuss with him about anything, and it helps me to play my character.
I have a question. Since you guys
Oh my, right?
exactly. Since you guys are all best friends, how is it Easy to stay serious. To stay serious.
We don't. And we don't have to. we never stay serious or anything, you know, just joking around every day, taking everything lightly, even though the emotion was very hard for us, but he kept saying something bad and dumb. But he's fun because he's my best friend, it's okay. What do you think? We don't really.
Ya karena filmnya sudah berat, jadi atmosfer yang dibuat rumah itu membuat kita sedikit lebih rileks. Jadinya scene berat pun terasa tidak begitu berat. Selalu fun kerja bareng bersama.
Come join us in Cinemaku Pictures, you will know.
Okey, rasanya itu je datang dari soalannya. So ada berapa? Okey.
Soundtrack ya, menurut bunyinya kamu ingin selepas dia melihat film ini ataupun memang ready-made song atau custom song?
So basically, I don't have a lot of budget to hire a lot of song. So I made it by myself.
Oh ya?
I sing it by myself. Itu memotong budget. So yeah, I made like four song and sudah ada di Spotify, boleh mendengarkan lagu saya. Promo jadi Singdong. Okay. Terima kasih. Ada budgetnya kalau nyanyi lagi ya.
Okey.